GAiLs Montessori and School. Dear students, GAiLs Montessori and School has developed this program of difficult words with their meanings for English language book for grade 9, 2025 syllabus from National Book Foundation for Federal Board. This will help you to prepare for your reading and comprehension question in board exam. We hope you would like it. Let's start. Unit 6. Difficult words and meanings. Menace, khatara, a threat or danger. Abuse, najaiz istiamal, improper or harmful use. Global, alami, relating to the whole world. Tremendous, zabardast, very great in amount or level. Addiction, lat, the state of being unable to stop using a substance. Illicit, ghair kanuni, forbidden by law or rules. Trafficking, ghair kanuni karobar, illegal trade of goods or substances. Awareness, agahi, knowledge or perception of a situation. Momentary. Ardi, lasting for a very short time. Pleasure, khushi, a feeling of enjoyment or satisfaction. Devastating, tabakin, causing great damage or suffering. Grassroot, bunyadi, the most basic level of an activity or organization. Repercussions, natage, unintended consequences of an event or action. Striving, koshish karna, making great efforts to achieve something. Eliminate, khatam karna, completely remove or get rid of something. Vigorously, bharpur tarike se, in a forceful and energetic way. Executing, amal daramad karna, carrying out or putting into effect. Nationwide, pure malik mein, extending across the whole country. Collaboration, ta'awan, working together on a task or project. Institutions, idare, organizations founded for a specific purpose. Prosperous, khoshhal, successful and wealthy. Lethality, mahlik pan, the ability to cause death. Prevention, roktham, the action of stopping something from happening. Participation, shirkat, the action of taking part in something. Doping, manshiyat ka istemal, use of illegal drugs to enhance performance. Barracks, burg, a building used to house people, especially soldiers or prisoners. Countermeasures, jawabi ikdamat, actions taken to prevent or respond to a problem. Deployed, tainat kiya, moved into position for use. Eradicate, jad se khatam karna, destroy or remove completely. Abyss, khai, a deep or seemingly bottomless pit. Immune, mahfuz, resistant to a particular thing. Substance, mada, a particular kind of material or drug. Incredible, nagabil yaqeen, impossible to believe. Opioids, afyan jaisi dawain, a group of drugs used to relieve pain. Prescription, nuskha, a written order for medicine. Painkillers, dard kam karne wali dawa, medicines that reduce pain. Rehab, bahali, a program for treating addiction. Revived, zanda kiya, brought back to life or consciousness. Symptoms, alamat, signs of an illness or problem. Tourette's syndrome, ek esabi bimari, a neurological disorder causing involuntary movements or sounds. Sober, hosh mein, not affected by alcohol or drugs. Rehabilitation, bahali, restoring someone to a normal life. Awareness campaign, agahi mahim, an organized effort to inform people. Execution, nafez, the act of carrying out a plan. Determination, azm, firmness of purpose or resolve. Assets, कीमती चीजें, valuable resources or possessions. Josh Hamilton, name of a person. Brett Favre, name of a person. Chris Heron, name of a person. Anthony Irwin, name of a person.